Hey guys.
Hello.
Hey
This is Evan. This is me, and we have this, and we got toys, and we're gonna open it for you guys. So we're starting off with this. Evan, you go first. So this is the toy.
Open.
Evan, look. Ah.
Gaggy.
Let's open it.
Gaggy. Ate Gaggy.
Yeah. Evan, stop. Okay, so that's my mother. Look, it's so cool. It's really nice. It's $6 and it's really cool.
Oh!
Yeah, my best. Evan, can you open it?
Dapat may ilaw kayo.
And my toy looks like this. Okay, so let's take the toy off. Can't take it off. I'm just gonna tell my dad. Daddy, can you open this? It's so hard to open.
What is this?
It may need some.
The land. This is the land.
There you go. This is the toy that Evan got, and it's really cool. Now he's gonna play with it. It does. Oh, it has more toys. It just has more accessories. Ow! It hurts, so don't try this.
It doesn't hurt for me.
Ugh, I can't get. I need some scissors. Okay, here you go. The doll looks like this. It's cool.
That's
It's
not
so-
a doll.
It's a toy.
It's the doll in the inside. Ah, my gosh, it fell down.
Starlink
It's
bundle
the
for
Starlink Fireful. Okay,
At
he's
Last.
playing it with it right now. At last, it's my turn.
Is this a game thing? Oh, this goes in.
I don't know where this
Yeah.
is.
Hey, we need another.
I love these. It's Series 4. I didn't get the Series 3 and Series 2 because they're expensive, and the Series 4. It's the Smushy Mushies. I'm gonna open it. My dad is at the back watching us. If you need some help.
Where did this go?
I need some scissors. Daddy, can you give me some scissors? The video will take really long. Yeah, I have these
They're
unicorns at
robots.
the back. They're so cute. For me.
Daddy, the robot is
Be
inside.
careful.
Okay.
Be careful.
It's so sharp. Ugh. Make sure to. I need some.
So does the robot goes inside?
Maybe.
Oh, there it is. There you go. Finally.
What's that toy?
This is a Smushy Mushy. It's really fluffy. It has a lot of. Finally, I opened it. The plastic looks like this, and oh my gosh!
Daddy, this
I
is
think
a
I got
sharp toy.
Look, it has this like container, and it has the same container. It's so cute and little. It's like a Barbie version, guys. Oh, this is the surprise toy, and look what I got. It's so cute. I will name it Cutie because there's a name tag.
Yeah, Daddy.
And even a sticker. It's so cool. I think we got this one, guys.
Ate, look.
Like
Look,
this,
Ate.
this bestie.
Ate, look. It can touch this one. And
Yeah.
go
Let's
to
see what's the surprise if it's actually true.
Daddy, we need another one of these so we can put two of this, of this.
Next time.
Oh my gosh, we actually got it. It's so cute. And it's even squishy. It smells
So-
good. It's really cute too. It matches
My
together.
turn, Ate.
That's really cute. Okay, we will see you guys later.
No,
Bye.
it didn't be my turn.
It's